Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Minecraft io.netty.channel.AbstractChannel error. First, check your firewall or antivirus software. Sometimes security programs block Minecraft or Java from using the internet. Temporarily turn off your firewall or antivirus and try to join the game again. If it works, turn the protection back on and add Minecraft and Java as allowed programs so they are not blocked in the future. Next, restart your internet connection. Turn off your router and modem. Wait at least 30 seconds. Then turn them back on. If the problem is still there, reinstall Minecraft. Uninstall Minecraft from your computer. After that, download the latest version from the official website and install it again. This can fix corrupted or missing files that cause network errors. If you are playing on a local network with friends, make sure everyone is using the same Minecraft version. Ask the host to share their local IP address. Instead of joining through the LAN list, choose Direct Connect and enter the IP address manually. This often fixes LAN connection issues. After completing these steps, restart Minecraft and test the connection again. Thanks for watching.